Dear students, welcome to today's class. We can examine the four lines. And when we were children, staying at the Archduke's, my cousins, he took me out on a sled, and I was frightened. He said, Mary, Mary, hold on tight, and down he went. In the mountains, there you feel free. Here, Countess Mary describes a summer storm. It was a great storm which unexpectedly came. She remembers Archduke Rudolph riding with her on a sled. She also remembers the bracing atmosphere of the mountain. She was with the Archduke. They were riding with her on a sled. When Rudolph killed himself with his mistress, a tragic end happened to Rudolph. Later, Rudolph killed himself with his mistress. Mary was blamed for having helped in the love affair. This Mary, Countess Mary, was blamed for helping him this love affair. And so, unable to bear the disapproval of friends and relatives, she retired to the safety of mountains. She returned to the mountains, retired to the safety of mountains. She went to the mountains. She would have been happier if those memories had not been stirred up. Here we can see that all these memories are very dangerous or very painful memories. So here Countess Mary will be happy if those memories had not been stirred up. So here in this section, poet describes the discomfortness of those time, because people's behavior and their thoughts, their ideas, everything was in a different mood, was in a dull mood. That is these lines. You know that Wasteland is 400 line poem. It is difficult to explain all these lines, but some important lines may be questions for annotations or something like. When there is a question, you have to answer, and that's why I'm giving you some ideas related to the lines. Next four lines. Here said, she is your card, the drowned Phoenician sailor. Those are pearls that were his eyes' look. Once again, I will read. Here said, she is your card, the drowned Phoenician sailor. Those are pearls that were his eyes' look. Here, Madame Sosostris is a famous clairvoyant. You know that one who predict something, was a famous one. The protagonist wishes to seek her help. Who is protagonist? Protagonist means the main character of a play, the important character of a play. The protagonist wishes to seek her help to understand the spiritual melody and find a cure. Melodies, a lot of melodies are here. That means spiritually everything is in a lost situation. So in order to find a solution for these melodies, the protagonist seek her help and find a cure for this. How to cure it? She tells fortune using a set of cards. Nowadays it is quite familiar to us that the prediction is based on certain cards. Here it is the parrot will select one card. Like that, she tells fortune using set of cards. 4 sets of 14 cards were there. Each and 22 additional cards having symbolic figures. So it was a prediction related to card or card-based prediction. One of the figures is the drowned Phoenician sailor. There was the figure of a drowned Phoenician sailor, drowned, full of water, drowned in water, who represents a fertility god in Egyptian. That is the representation of the drowned Phoenician sailor, fertility god in Egyptian and Egyptian mythology. When the protagonist gets this card, Madame Sosostris warns him against death by drowning. She told him that chances for drowning in water, death by drowning, a flood in the wasteland, however destructive, will restore fertility. You know that death by water, however destructive it may be, it will restore life. It will restore fertility, because water, its speciality is that water will change everything. It will reback the fertility. The protagonist has to die by water to enter into a new life. It is the speciality of water. Even though die in water, it enter into a new life. That's the meaning of the 4 lines. You go and understand these lines. I will send you the handwritten copies, because I won't get enough time to type all these things, and so I will send you the handwritten copies of lecture notes. Based on these lecture notes and my class, you may able to understand the meanings. Any doubts, please ask me. Okay, thank you.